Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the simple process of installing the Honorlock extension for your Google Chrome browser, so you can seamlessly take your exams on Blackboard with Honorlock Proctoring. Let's get started. You must use Google Chrome to open Honorlock exams. If you attempt to take the exam using another browser such as Safari or Firefox or on your cell phone, it will not work. Step 1. Navigate to the exam. Navigate to the exam in your Blackboard course that requires Honorlock. Click on the exam to begin your attempt. A prompt will appear indicating that the Honorlock extension is required. Step 2. Install the extension. Agree to Honorlock's terms of service by checking the box, then click on Get Started. This will open the Chrome Web Store page. Here, click on the Add to Chrome button. Confirm the installation by clicking on Add Extension. Step 3. Start the exam. Once the installation is complete, your Blackboard page will refresh automatically, and you're all set to take your exam with the Honorlock Proctoring system. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at blackboardsupport@odessa.edu. Thank you for watching and good luck with your exams.